for day 7, we are gonna do that. 2 eye looks, same palette. One was Glam and one was Everyday Matte. Let's see if I can do it. With the blend for center eyelid, I also took that on the lower lash line. Up here to the crease shade here, which is the lash line or the number 8 shadow, and they're doing the lash line. I'm gonna do the outer third as well as my entire top. And this is the smoke shade. And they're actually going to use that and they're blending that out on the lash line to soften. Matte eye is done. They also added like a black liner. I didn't do that. I really like how it looks just as it is. Easy, matte, everyday, gorgeous. All right, let's do the Glam side. Their center eyelid. And we're placing it on the center as well. I love this color. It's so shimmery and beautiful and rosy. There's the blend shade, and they're gonna put that in the crease and the lower lash line. Lash line color, and put it in the upper lash line. Smoke shade, and that goes in the outer V. And they're gonna blend that along the lower lash line as well. Transition shade, and blending out that outer V. The crease color, just to blend out the outer corner a little bit. But what I love about it is they tell you exactly how to do it in that video for the inner corner. That's my Glam look. So every day, I keep telling you, there's nothing like these Natasha Denona palettes.